How do you do a simple chmod plus x from within Python? I want to create a file from within a Python script that is executable. It appears os.chmod doesn't add permissions the way Unix chmod does. With the last line commented out, the file has the file mode rwrr. With it not commented out, the file mode is x. How can I just add the u plus x flag while keeping the rest of the modes intact?
Use os.stat to get the current permissions, use to OR the bits together, and use os.chmod to set the updated permissions. Example.
For tools that generate executable files, for example scripts, the following code might be helpful. This makes it, more or less, respect the UMISC that was in effect when the file was created. Executable is only set for those that can read. Usage.
If you're using Python 3.4+, you can use the standard library's convenient pathlib. Its path class has built-in chmod and stat methods.
If you know the permissions you want, then the following example may be the way to keep it simple. Python 2. Python 3. Compatible with either octal conversion. Reference permissions examples.